Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download songs in Spotify. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, open Spotify and find the songs you want to download. So for each song, tap the three dots on the right side and press Add to Like Songs, like so. So once you've added all the songs you want to download, go to the library by tapping the library icon in the bottom toolbar here. So from here in your library, tap like songs to see your playlist of selected songs. And to download, just tap the downward arrow button at the top of the screen. So just take note that you need Spotify Premium for this feature, as it allows you to download songs for offline listening. But basically, this is how you can download songs in Spotify. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.